I've had this poster right above my bed for about 5 or 4 years. Well, around about 2018. Yeah, the Freddie Krueger off Rick and Morty. This is a kind of like little ironic joke. It's never really. I don't really. Well, when I do have dreams, I don't really make sense. But yeah, basically, you've been up there for too long, Rick and Morty, Freddie. Bugger off. Right, I don't know what'll be replacing it. Something more, hold on a minute. Something more tranquil, you know, calming, you know, mindfulness and all that, like this. Right. See you, Freddie.